Did you know a Roman emperor was turned into a human footstool and then stuffed like a hunting trophy? Emperor Valerian ruled the mighty Roman Empire until he met his match at the Battle of Edessa in 260 CE. Persian king Shapur captured him alive, making Valerian the only Roman emperor ever taken prisoner by enemies. For years, Shapur humiliated the former ruler of the world in the most degrading way possible. Every time the Persian king wanted to mount his horse, he forced Valerian to kneel and used him as a stepping stool. The man who once commanded legions was literally trampled under foreign boots. When Valerian finally died in captivity, Shapur wasn't done with his revenge. He had the emperor's body skinned, stuffed with straw, and displayed permanently in a Persian temple like a hunting trophy. This ultimate humiliation triggered the crisis of the 3rd century. 50 generals claimed the Roman throne in 50 years, nearly destroying the empire. Shapur celebrated by carving massive rock sculptures showing himself trampling the Roman eagle. One man's capture brought the world's greatest empire to its knees.